Now, the Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10 meteorologist Lindsay Monroe.
Good afternoon, everyone. Winter weather advisory goes into effect for everyone in the Wabash Valley beginning at 1 o'clock Eastern time this afternoon, and it will be in effect through 7 a.m. tomorrow, once again Eastern time, and that includes the entire Wabash Valley. Temperatures outside very close to that freezing point. It's 33 in Rockville, 34 right now in Terre Haute, up through Paris, Casey, 34 degrees as well. Mattoon sitting at 35. Temperatures just a bit warmer to the south, and it really does depend on what your temperature is, so you can see what kind of precipitation you're seeing. Clouds and radar bringing in this system, eventually changing to all snow. Started off as some rain showers and a wintry mix. At this point, we are seeing some very light snow flurries here in Terre Haute, but a bulk of the moisture still back to our west, and that's what we're looking at to bring us some accumulating snow as we head through the afternoon. Here's that bigger picture and where most of that moisture is. Lots of snow falling across portions of Missouri and even further west, even seeing some heavier bands of snow within this, tracking this to head into the Wabash Valley for this afternoon. We'll look at all of it on Futurecast. Here's the leading edge of that snow taking over the entire valley heading through the evening tonight. Here at 6 o'clock and in your day planner for this New Year's Eve, putting snow in that forecast for this afternoon. Now temperatures are going to be pretty steady in the low to mid-30s, so most of us are going to continue to see an all-snow event. Looking ahead at the 6 o'clock hour, snow showers and accumulations near 1 to 2 inches heading through this afternoon. Now there's going to be 2 waves of snow. The first one moving through right now and a second one after we get a bit of a break. Here's 7 o'clock tonight. As you're heading to your plans for this evening, New Year's, you're going to be out and about, so do keep that in mind. That first wave of snow will make the roads a little bit on the slick side, and then restarting after midnight as we ring in the new year. Another wave of snow does take over the valley. We're going to continue to see flurries lasting through the overnight. However, this will be rather light, so not expecting a ton more snow, maybe up to a half an inch or an inch in addition to what we're going to see this afternoon. Keeping that chance of flurries with us at least as we head through the morning hours tomorrow. And as far as snow accumulations go, it does look to stay more on the minimum side. Going through the evening, there's your first wave of snow, adding to the totals as we roll through the first part of the day tomorrow. Accumulations up to the north. I did downgrade this a bit from this morning. The moisture just doesn't look to be there. We could see a few bands of snow setting up, seeing up to 3 inches, possibly isolated locations up to 4. Other than that, 1 to 2 looks to be a good estimate to the north. So there's your snowfall potential forecast as we head through tomorrow afternoon. Now we're going to continue to clear that sky out as we roll through the day tomorrow. Here 6 p.m. the clouds sinking to the south, and once we get in on those clear skies, temperatures staying cold back behind that. Waking up Wednesday morning, temperatures only near 8 degrees. Wind chills going to be even colder than that once you factor in that wind out of the northwest. So once we get this moisture out of here, very cold air settles in to start us off next year. Afternoon snow in your forecast today, 34 degrees. That's your daytime high here in Terre Haute. Going to be pretty steady in the low to mid 30s for today. 1 to 2 inches of accumulating snow, an additional 1 to 2 possible as we roll through the overnight tonight. Snow showers coming to an end tomorrow morning, and then we are just going to get cold. Wednesday, looking for those overnight low temperatures near 8 degrees, 26 in. Even looking ahead at the forecast daytime highs for the remainder of this week. Starting off the first of 2013, temperatures going to be well below average and no more snow in that forecast.
Well, we definitely have a winter wrap up to the year and a winter beginning to the year for sure with all that snow that's coming through.
Absolutely.
Well, and a real quick question I asked you a little bit earlier. Have you come up with your resolution yet?
No, I'm still thinking. I still have what, 12 hours or so?
12 hours.
Yeah.
We'll give you to the end of the show to come up with another resolution.
Okay, I'll think of it.
Put you on the spot there. All right, thank you very much.